let's move on to the next and final part of the speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
What luxury item would you choose if you could have any one thing?
Luxury item that I would choose would be a watch. I am very fond of watches, and my father also has a business of watches only. So from my childhood I have seen varieties of watches, so I would like that luxury item.
Great. Do you think luxury possessions bring happiness?
It is not, we cannot say it does bring happiness. It brings happiness to only the people who has a forte for that thing, who likes to wear it, not for the show off but just for their own collection. The people who keep it for their own thing, that makes them happy.
Okay. Should luxury items be taxed at a higher rate?
They should be taxed at a higher rate, because then it won't be luxurious. If it is very commonly available in the market, it won't have that brand, that the uniqueness that it has for the particular brand. So taxes higher would be recommended.
So which is the luxury brand that is famous in your country?
Luxury brand that is famous in my country, there are several. But in my country, foreign brands are really famous, like H&M, Zara in clothing. For watches, it is Rolex, Hublot, and Richard Mille. Different kind of luxury items are famous.
Okay. How have the lives of rich people changed over the last 30 years?
Rich people's life has changed a lot. They have kept on. Some people have kept on becoming richer and richer, but some has seen their downfall. But they do manage to come up with a different idea, and after their downfall, they do manage to get up high.
So, is it important for rich people to show off with the luxury items?
It's not quite important for rich people to show off their luxury items, but generally many rich people do believe that when they are rich they need to show off. But it's not that thing. It's for you are rich for your own self, I believe. So it's not quite necessary.
So that is the end of your speaking test. Thank you so much.